guys, my name is Ara and you're watching Buntis Vlog. This is week 29 pregnancy update. So what's up for this week? Unang-una, nahihirapan po akong huminga lalo na kapag nakahiga. So what I always do, I switch positions from time to time. The safest daw na sleeping position is sleeping on your left. Yan daw yung recommended sleeping position kapag buntis kasi dyan daw yung nangyayari yung proper blood circulation, which is also healthy for the baby. And of course, movements ni baby. This time, on my lower abdomen. Diba last week sabi ko sa inyo, parang napapalakas na yung bawat suntok, sipa, at galaw ni baby at sa tiyan ko. Pero ngayon, mas lalong parang times 2 na struggle para sa akin kasi nasa lower abdomen na yung movements and the tendency is napupush yung bladder. So, mas napapadalas na rin yung pagbisita ko sa CR para nga umihi. Kasi kahit konti lang yung galaw niya, but still the movement is parang nagiging extreme, kung tatawagin natin. So, yun yung naging consequence. And speaking of movements, guys, this week is one of the most amazing part of my pregnancy journey because we were able to capture on cam yung movements ni baby. And hindi lang siya basta-basta yung ordinary movements na gaya ng dati na parang navivideohan ko, nakukunan ko ng video. This time, nagre-respond si baby sa bawat parang pag kinakausap namin siya. So, watch this.
Yeah, baby. Sipa lang.
Yana. 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 Yana baby. Yana. So, ito na nga guys, kasama ko si Daddy Bibo. Siya sa kanya yung kamay na nakita nyo kanina sa video na humahawak sa belly ko. So, Daddy, ano ang feeling kapag nararamdaman mo yung bawat galaw ni baby?
Happy kasi feel ko talaga na gumagalaw na talaga si baby. Nung una kasi masyado pang mahina.
Mahina pa.
Then, palakas ng palakas.
Talaga sa palakas.
Yun. Okay siya.
Amazing. Pero, di ba parang nakikilala na niya yung boses mo?
Alam niya na kung ako ba yun umawa ko.
Yung movements kasi ni baby that is considered as one of the most amazing parts of being an expectant mom. So, sa ibang mommies dyan o sa ibang mga expectant mommies dyan, gumagalaw po yung baby natin starting week 22. Week 22. Naggumagalaw na yan siya. So, kung gusto mong gumalaw si baby, like gusto mong maramdaman, gusto mong i-video, yung ginagawa ko, 3 steps. Number 1, have snack or drink cold water. Number 2, lie down. Hinihiga ako. Kaya most of my videos nakahiga ako. Number 1, have snack or drink cold water. Number 2, lie down. Hinihiga ako. Kaya most of my videos nakahiga ako. And number 3, talk to the baby. Talk to your baby. Talk to your baby. Nakakulong. Talk to your baby. Siyempre, at yung fetal hearing niya or yung sense of hearing niya na de-develop starting week 22 until week 28. O between week 22 and week 28. So, yun yung mga ginagawa ko. para makapture ko yung movements ni baby. Mommies, if you are worried about your baby's movements, check in with your practitioner to make sure that everything is okay. Thank you so much guys for watching. That's it for week 29 pregnancy update with Daddy B-Boy. God bless and to God be the glory.